$1,276,000. That's what's sitting in my Phantom wallet right now. Not from sniping coins, from launching them. Watch this video all the way through. I'll show you the exact play I used. I used to sit on deck screener all day trying to snipe pumps, but every time I bought in, I got dumped on. It's the same story every time. Dev launches a coin, buyers rush in, chart spikes, and boom, liquidity gone. I was always late. I was always the exit liquidity. That's when I flipped the game. Instead of being the guy buying the coins, I became the one launching them. Now I control the chart, I control the timing, and I walk away with all the profits. Trading meme coins is gambling, launching them is a strategy. And if you're smart, you'll switch sides before it's too late. I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so let's go. Let me be real. Pump.Fun delays everything. You launch a coin and then you wait. Wait to graduate, wait for deck screener, wait for momentum. With CreateTokens.Fun, there's no wait. You launch and boom, it's on Raydium instantly. That gives your token way more credibility, faster trading, and real-time exposure. It's a shortcut the smart money takes. No curve, no bottleneck, no crawling to visibility. If you want your coin seen right now and get money right now, you launch here. When I'm on CreateTokens.Fun, I don't waste any time. I head straight to the copy coins tab. Why? Because every coin listed there is already blowing up on Pump.Fun. They've got traction, volume, momentum, and they're just sitting there, ready to be recycled. You pick one, give it a new name, maybe a fresh logo, and relaunch it on Raydium. The second it's live, you've got a coin that's already looking like a winner, because it was. But now it's on a better platform, with better visibility, and fewer people to compete with. That's why it works. We're not just guessing, we're recycling what's already hot. Click launch and ride the hype. Alright, enough talking, let's launch something real. This coin right here just caught my eye. It's sitting at a $26.4 thousand market cap and had a fresh buy 6 seconds ago. Literally. Looks active, looks promising, so I'm jumping in. First step, connect your wallet. It's really simple, it's just right here. Then hit create coin. A warning will pop up. Totally normal, just proceed and confirm. Boom, 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 boom. Give it a few seconds. And boom, view on SoScan. As you guys can see, it's officially on the blockchain. Now, copy here and click create liquidity pool. Now it's time to move on and create the liquidity pool. Now let's make this coin tradable. Time to create liquidity. You'll see your token and your Solana pre-selected. Leave them as is. Under token A, click 90%. That is 900 million tokens going into the pool. Then in token B, set your initial buy. I'm doing 0.4 Solana. Remember, you're the first buyer. Your funds stay safe. After that, click on create pool. Oh my god. After that, click on confirm. Give it a sec and then refresh once it's done. And then simply scroll down, boom, it's live on the Raydium pool. We're up $48.2 in profit, which is 0.3 Sol. Click on view on Photon. And boom, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, it peaked at $20,000 within like fucking 10 seconds. It's at $14,000 right now. It's kind of stabilizing. Let me go see the transactions. Okay, as you guys can see, every single second we're getting buys in left and right. Let's fucking go. Now guys, as meme coin launchers, we have to be looking at the volume, the transactions, and the liquidity. Those are the most important metrics. If you are a trader, you look at the market cap, but us, we look at the liquidity. Now, to check your coin, to check your profits, come back to CreateTokens.Fun. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1,693 off this one coin. I'm gonna give this coin like 20 minutes and we're gonna see where it's at, so be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been like 25 minutes. Okay, I went to eat and like poop and shit. It's at a $16,000 market cap. It peaked at $30,000 when I wasn't there. Yeah, now the coin is kind of dead. Oh, we're saying, okay, we're still getting buys every single second. Now, okay, what else is to say? I think nothing else. Now, the point of today's video is to make some money, so come back to CreateTokens.Fun. After that, click on refresh. It was at $3,000 at a $30,000 market cap. What? That's actually insane, bro. Nah, that's it. Okay, now it's at the $2,400 in profit. That's not bad. With a $15,000 market cap, that's not bad. Now, to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and after that, 100%. Actually, no. I still believe in the coin, so I'm gonna do like 30% of the liquidity, and simply remove the liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4 SOL. Then just click on confirm. And boom, just like that. That's how you remove the liquidity. And you can just do it again if you want to remove the rest. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, yes sir, 600 bucks is in my wallet, which is like 4 SOL. Let's go. And by the way, Photon, CreateTokens.Fun, and SoulScan will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. And yeah, bye.